I just received eCowhides in the mail, and we are going to design a Highland Cow Chair. So we picked out this hide to go on the chair. So let's see what it looks like. I can't wait. And the folks at eCowhides sent me this wonderful cowhide all wrapped up. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've gotten a cowhide that wrapped up. Very nice. And a little note. Look at that. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is going to make a great hide. Oh, a great chair. Great chair. Look at that. The color on this is fantastic. And it has that great browns and blacks brindle to it. I'm going to go over and get the picture and the horn so you can see what it's going to look like. Okay, here's the chairs it's going to go on. Look at this back. And I'm going to put the back of that right on the back. And we're going to put these wonderful horns on it that I made out of foam clay. And this is what it's going to look like. I can't wait. It's going to have a little bangs on it, like a Highland cow, and it's going to have a great look. Stay tuned. It's going to look good.